If you're like most iPad users, you've probably downloaded 10 note apps and deleted 8. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Most free note-taking apps promise everything. Beautiful design, AI features, unlimited storage, but deliver mediocre versions of all three. In this video, we tested the 4 best free options that actually work on iPad. No fluff, just real-world testing. By the end, you'll know exactly which app fits your workflow. Let's dive in. The note-taking space changed dramatically in the last 2 years. Cloud sync works better, AI is becoming standard, and the gap between free and paid has actually narrowed. We're not here to sell you anything. We use these apps daily. Some are worth paying for. Others are genuinely better free than their premium competitors. The key is matching the app to how your brain works, not forcing yourself into whatever trend is popular. Let's start with Apple Notes. If you own an iPad, you already have it. For years, power users dismissed it as too simple. That's changed. The 2025 update added collapsible lists, sketch annotations, and lightning-fast sync across all your devices. If you just need to capture thoughts, store documents, or keep a personal journal, Apple Notes does it perfectly. The collaboration features are seamless. It's encrypted by default, and there's zero learning curve. The catch? It only works if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Microsoft OneNote has been around forever, and people still sleep on it. If you use Windows, Mac, iPad, or Android, OneNote is everywhere and genuinely free. No credit card required, no premium tier nagging you. The notebook and section structure lets you organize hierarchically in ways other apps can't. You can embed videos, web clippings, and audio recordings directly into Notes. The real power? OneNote syncs instantly across every device you own. It's not trendy, but it works. Notion is beautiful and powerful, but let's be honest, it's also overwhelming. The free plan gives you unlimited notes, database features, and templates. You can build full wikis and project dashboards. Here's the reality. If you want to use Notion to its potential, you'll spend hours learning it. The interface is cluttered. Offline access on iPad is limited. Loading times can lag. But if you're building a personal knowledge base or running a business, there's nothing else like it. Obsidian is different. It's built for people who think in networks and connections, not linear lists. You write in Markdown, link between notes, and build a graph of your knowledge. The free version is genuinely full-featured. No paywalls. Your notes are stored locally on your device, not on someone else's server, which appeals to privacy-conscious users. The downside? The iPad app is clunky compared to desktop. Syncing requires an extra step. It's for people who love building systems. Speed? Apple Notes, hands down. Organization? OneNote's hierarchy is unbeatable. Power and flexibility? Notion, if you have time to learn it. Privacy and offline? Obsidian stores everything locally. Collaboration? OneNote and Notion both shine. Simplicity? Apple Notes again. Here's what matters. None of these are bad choices. They're different. The best note app is the one you'll actually use. If you abandon your notes after 2 weeks, even the perfect system fails. If you're all Apple, Notes. It's built in, fast, and sufficient for 90% of users. If you jump between devices, OneNote. No learning curve, works everywhere, just works. If you're building a personal wiki or running business, Notion, but commit to learning it properly. If you care about privacy and love the idea of interconnected knowledge, Obsidian. Don't overthink it. The best decision is the one you'll stick with for 6 months. Here's what we learned. Free note-taking apps in 2026 are genuinely capable. You're not sacrificing quality by avoiding subscriptions. The difference between free and paid has gotten tiny. Pick the one that matches how you think, set it up once, and stop chasing features. Your notes don't need to be perfect. They need to exist. All 4 of these apps do that. Grab the link in the description to download our comparison guide. What note-taking feature can't you live without? Comment below and we will build it.